Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the world of tech and explore the latest innovations that can change your life. Today, we're going to talk about something truly revolutionary, the Reatan X8 Ryzen AI. Imagine a computer that's not just powerful enough to handle any task you throw at it, but is also sleek, compact, and incredibly affordable. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. The Reatan X8 Ryzen AI is here to blow your mind, and I'm excited to share with you what makes this mini PC so special. Let's start with the brain of the operation, the AMD Ryzen 9 470 processor. This tiny powerhouse packs a whopping 12 cores, 24 threads, and can reach speeds of up to 5.2 GHz. That means it can handle complex tasks like local LLMs, large language models, dense code compilation, or even AI image generation all on its own, without relying on the cloud or sacrificing any performance. And with 86 total TOPS, tasks per second, of localized processing power, you'll be amazed at how seamlessly it works. But that's not all. This mini PC also boasts desktop-grade graphics expansion via OCuLink. Yes, you read that right, OCuLink. This cutting-edge technology allows you to plug in an external desktop GPU and instantly transform this compact device into a high-end gaming PC or a heavy-duty rendering machine. Just imagine being able to play the latest games at 60+ FPS on AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and GTA 5, all from the comfort of your living room. It's like having two PCs in one. Now, let's talk about visuals. The Reatan X8 Ryzen AI supports up to 4 simultaneous independent displays, each featuring bleeding-edge native HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 2.0 for crystal-clear 8K resolution. That means you can have multiple screens open at the same time, streaming 8K media, managing complex financial dashboards, or collaborating in real time without any stuttering. It's like having your own personal movie theater. But what about storage? The Reatan X8 Ryzen AI comes with 48 GB of pre-installed memory and a 1 TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD that delivers ultra-fast storage speeds of up to 7,000 MB per second. That means you can handle large files, like 8K video editing, or run complex AI models without any lag. And with an additional M.2 2280 expansion slot, you have endless power reserves. Now, let's talk about cooling and audio. The Reatan X8 Ryzen AI is encased in a premium all-metal chassis that uses advanced Matrix 3D cooling technology to keep the system running smoothly. But what's even more impressive is its silent operation. Thanks to cycle-through silent, standard, or performance modes, you can match your environment to suit your needs. And with built-in dual microphones and a dedicated speaker, your video conferences and voice commands are ready to go without any external gear. Finally, let's talk about support. The Reatan X8 Ryzen AI comes with 24/7 customer service, including a 3-year round-the-clock technical support service that'll keep you covered for any questions or setup issues. And if you're not completely satisfied, there's a 30-day hassle-free return and exchange policy to boot. In conclusion, the Reatan X8 Ryzen AI is an absolute powerhouse that will revolutionize the way you work and play. With its cutting-edge specs, sleek design, and affordable price tag, it's no wonder this mini PC has become a top Amazon seller. If you're looking for a reliable office assistant or entertainment companion that can keep up with your needs, look no further than the Reatan X8 Ryzen AI. Check out the link below to get yours today.